So Infiniti's been kind of quiet lately, right? But now they're back with something pretty interesting. The 2026 QX60 just got a big refresh, and honestly, it looks like they're really trying to step things up. Now, this SUV is Infiniti's bestseller, so it makes sense they gave it some serious attention. First thing you'll notice, the front end, it's way more aggressive now with a new grille that's got this cool angled look, supposedly inspired by bamboo forests. Sounds fancy. And right in the middle of it, there's a 3D Infiniti badge that lights up. Kinda slick. The front bumper's also been cleaned up. It's got bigger air intakes, and the daytime running lights now have this digital piano key style. That's straight from their big QX80 SUV. From the side, they gave it a more horizontal look, which makes it feel longer. And check this out. Even the base Pure trim now comes with 20-inch wheels, up from the old 18-inch wheels. Higher trims get new wheels too, of course. Now let's talk about the back. It's less busy than before, which is a good thing. The Infiniti logo on the liftgate? Gone. Instead, everything's more subtle. There's a cleaner bumper design, lower reflectors, and overall it just looks smoother. Paint options? 10 total, and there's a new deep emerald color that's kind of a dark green vibe. If you go for the top autograph trim, you get a two-tone look with a black roof. That one's got some serious style. There are some little details too, like darker trim instead of shiny chrome and special badging on the autograph model. It just helps it look more upscale. Inside, the changes are smaller, but they do count. There's a new stone gray interior option, and the autograph trim gets quilted seats and this really classy open-pore wood trim with metal inlay. Looks sharp. Tech-wise, the screens are the same size, 12.3 inches for both the gauge cluster and the infotainment. But now, Google's built in. So you get Google Maps, Assistant, and even access to apps through the Play Store. Oh, and the audio? That got a big upgrade. The Luxe and Sport trims now come with a Klipsch system. 16 speakers, titanium tweeters, a subwoofer, and a 600-watt amp. Not bad. The Autograph takes it further with a reference Premiere system. 24 channels, speakers in the headrests, and even an option to send stuff like navigation or phone calls to just the driver. Pretty wild. Now, one thing that might annoy some buyers, only the Autograph trim still has real leather. The rest use something called Tailor Fit, which is 65% recycled material. Infiniti says it feels softer and tougher than fake leather, but still, not actual leather. As for standard features, you still get heated power front seats, a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, tri-zone climate control, a wireless phone charger, and a 9-speaker bass audio system. Solid package overall. Let's talk driving tech for a sec. The Autograph trim adds ProPILOT Assist 2.1, which lets you drive hands-free on certain highways, handling steering, braking, and acceleration. It's great for long drives. The Luxe and Sport trims get a regular ProPILOT system, but it's not hands-free. And the Pure trim? Just basic cruise control. There's also a better camera system now. Higher trims come with a 3D around view monitor that can detect moving objects. Plus, new camera views like Invisible Hood, which lets you see what's directly under the car. Super useful in tight spots or lining up at the car wash. Under the hood? Same 2-liter turbo engine, 268 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic, and you can choose front or all-wheel drive. Infiniti says it now sounds sportier, and it still tows up to 6,000 pounds. Fuel economy's pretty decent too, up to 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 on the highway. The 2026 Infiniti QX60 hits US dealerships this summer. No official pricing yet, but the current model starts just over $50,000, plus destination. So yeah, unexpect a bump, but it's built in Tennessee and the engine's made here too. So it might help keep the price in check despite tariffs. Alright, that's the scoop on the 2026 QX60. It's got a sharper look, better tech, and just feels more premium all around. If Infiniti keeps going like this, they might just be on their way back. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point car updates. Catch you in the next one.